Hi, Chuck Woods for HowDevelopers.net, and I'm munching on something real quick. I gotta fuel up here. Right. In this video short, I'll be working with an application called Daz. I intend on making this a permanent part of my workflow. Permanent part. Yeah. The primary reason I want to use it is because it's a free application, open source, meaning free, looking like freedom. Being Afro-American, I can respect that. I can relate to that. I know the value of that freedom. I haven't experienced it yet, but I believe in freedom. You better believe it. With this tool, you're able to purchase a few objects here. I found this sci-fi conference room. I want to use this, right? For the most part, the primary feature behind Daz, I believe it's not just the animation, it's the rendering system that comes with it. That'll be irate. Excuse me. I'm starving here. Okay. Let me get another bite in me. Then I'll concentrate. Okay. So the thing about there's been a lot of conversation about lighting. If I use the NVIDIA iRay system, hopefully it'll give us a look. Okay, we did this before. I screwed up again. See if we can make it through this. I have to, yeah. This is the big deal here. It's going to be a lot of artifacts. It's not a complete render yet. It hasn't rendered out the scene just yet. That's why you see the snow and the artifacts. But the big thing about it is the lighting. That was a topic that I went over. I need to go in here. It's dark. I found a clever technique. Let me go here and use this NVIDIA iRay thing here. And I'm running off GPU. Right? It's dark. It's totally dark in here. I found this tutorial here online about emissive lighting. Right? So if I go into my parameters and I have the ceiling selected. Okay. Let me open that. Under surfaces, all this is set up. Ceiling 1, ceiling 2. We roll that down. And this is set up. This scene is already set up like this. You want to make this an emission. You want to emit light from surfaces. You can do that. If you go here and turn it all the way white, click OK. Now you got tons of other features. And that's this little I-beam in here on the ceiling. You can see it looks a little bit different in color. We want to, I'm going to try this one. Luminance didn't work too well. I'm an American, so we'll go with watts. And it's has a default setting of 15. Let's turn it up to 40 maybe. See if we can get that in there. And light this room up. Not a chance, huh? Okay. We'll try the luminance. That's 1500 was default setting. Pumped it to 49. Still no go. Okay. Let's go back to luminous. I had it working a minute ago. Well, this is the way you add light to it. Yeah, you'll do it much better than I am right now. But these features are built in, and it saves a lot of time. Let's click right here and go right. Let's see, give it 1200 lumens. That lit the room up. 1200 is a bit much. it looks as if it could burn you if you touch it. That's a bit much. So let's pump it, go down. We'll try 500. Yeah. And you can like go, okay, that might be better. Yeah, you can go out throughout this room here and select certain items and have it illuminate. You can also do that with a cube. You can bring in a primitive cube sphere and light it up in the same fashion. You know, these parameters are built in here already. Save a lot of time. That's, I don't know, it's still a little bright maybe. But I wanted to illuminate the room, and it's lit. All right. Let me pause it for a second. I'm getting real hungry here. Yeah, it's lit, and I'm back. I had to get something in my stomach for real. It's lit, and I'm you know, in 3ds Max I was using the V-Ray renderer by Chaos Group. V-Ray is it's nice. It's kind of heavy though. I want to try to find. I'll be purchasing that renderer, the iRay renderer, for Max as well. I'm gonna switch off to give V-Ray a break. But I like the V-Ray because of well, Chaos Group. They make Phoenix FD, and as a fluids simulator. You know, you have gas, fire, and all that good stuff. That's my favorite though. I like that. Let's focus on here a little bit more. We have our tabs panel over here. Let's add a panel. That panel I want to add, I got to bring it out of here. And panes, scene. I'm gonna dock that over here as well. And here we can concentrate on some stuff. I'm gonna turn everything off. Turn it off. Hello? Can I turn you off? Do it like this before something go wrong. Just want to hide stuff that's in your scene. This is unique. I didn't think it'd be this slow. I guess because I'm working with the Camtasia recording. I want the floor. He said only the floor in there. I want to bring in a character and go over some of the very neat tools that make this this an outstanding application to work with. I want to get that in there. Let's bring in a character, right? You know, it comes with the your basic standard characters, starter content, nope. Content library, thank you. Now you have Genesis under people here. We have Genesis 2, Genesis 3. I'm missing Genesis 3 male. I have to get in here. Genesis 8 female and Genesis 8 male. I have a character in here. You know what? No, I don't have any of my characters in here. What I did, I just remembered. I'm an idiot. Thank you. I'm an idiot. Let's go to scene tab and select the floor. Okay. It's a plugin new in Daz Studio 4.12 Pro, and it's called FaceTransfer. I overused it. Roughly $50 for this plugin. It's fairly cheap for what you can get away with it. It's very handy indeed. I created this character here. Let me go back under, let me change our render settings out so things move along a little quicker. You know, like you said, I won't get the best render out of this machine, so I don't know why I'm wasting my time here. Genesis 8, that's the guy. And I've face shift. Where is that at? So it's not a plugin. It comes with the application now. No, it is a plugin. 4.12 is a plugin. In this version, they gave us a trial sample within the application. you got to purchase this. I was like, guy, here he is. This is what happened. I did it with my phone, believe it or not. This is, with a better camera, probably would have got better results. That's the face. That's the face of, well, I'm not good with cliches. It's a face. That's my face. Yeah, handsome character. I added some hair to him. I don't like the eyes, but I do want to bring in some clothing. If I go into clothing, I got this open for a reason. Yeah, let's get into clothing. He's already dressed, but I didn't want to add a nice little touch, I thought, anyway. If I have my character selected, yes I do, put some glasses on him. Look at the shades. You see it drop down over his nose, right? You saw that. We don't want that. We need to fix that. And then writing in his ear is breaking the geometry. I'm going to try to make adjustments to that. Select the hip. And under posing, rotation. Let's try some of this out here. I'm not doing anything here. You would think it'd be the Z translation that I want, right? Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to take it back up. But of course, it's kind of tricky here. See, now it's going places I don't want it to go. Let's do a reset there. I'm going to bring them up a bit. They're hanging too low. Try the negative here. And it always brings me back this way. I don't want to go that way. Let's try it on the rotation. Reset that. Translation. Let's make it a negative then. Can we? 0. No, we cannot hear. Can't do it there. Try it here, maybe. It's going one way. There we go. That's so much better. If I click the can, where will it take me? Oh, hey. And then, you want to go in here. That's one of the things I don't like about it. See, in the Max, you can go in, select objects. I can just select I can better do that without all these parameters here. Within Max, you can just grab it, center your pivot, and make your adjustments. But I just want to put shades on. Waste time. I'm wasting time. And under G8, I have some poses. Let's try a pose for the guy. Under people, G8, poses. Where are you? There you go. See what we can get on him. I got one out right here. He's thinking hard. Yeah, yeah, let's do this guy. You don't want to put it on the sunglasses. You want to put it on the figure itself. Make sure you have it selected. And, excuse me, I'm still hungry. Not responding. Don't touch nothing. All right. He took the pose. Rather suave pose, if I say so myself. Now, you can go in here and you can adjust certain things, right? His knee is, his elbow is in his knee. What is that? Cush. Yeah, that's straight. That's okay. Right here, you want to go in and fix that. Just see if we can select the right hand here. Do a little rotation to it. All we gotta do is this right here, right? Yeah, that'll work. Right here, our parameters change to negative. We'll make it a positive. Yeah, bring them back down. Get them in there, just like that. Wait for poses. But one plug-in I purchased already. Plug-in for Daz is called Mimic, right? You want to make sure you have a selection of your character selected. Mimic is Mimic Live, is it? Yeah. I think I already have it open right here. There we go. Right. This get the character talking. Oh, he looks sharp with the glasses on. What do I have to put there? Let me see. It's still in his ear. Yes, it is. I like the haircut. He looks wild. Ready to go. Good piece of puff.